Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in your intent and the essentials. Pick your subject, choose orientation, and set exposure mode. Once done, dial aperture and shutter to control depth and motion. Raise ISO only as needed to avoid noise. Make sure to steady the camera, tripod, or braced elbow, and position yourself for a clear line of sight. You'll hear me say it twice. Composition matters, so move a step left or right to remove distractions and tighten the frame before you capture. Now you refine focus and exposure. Aim your focus point at the subject's most important detail and confirm sharpness in live view or focus peaking. Once focused, read the histogram and meter to balance shadows and highlights. Make small shutter or ISO changes rather than chasing perfect screen brightness. For moving subjects, increase shutter speed. For low light, open aperture, or accept higher ISO. Make sure to recompose carefully after. Finally, take the shot and don't stop at one. Fire a burst or bracket exposures to ensure you captured the intended moment. Once done, review the image at 100% to confirm focus and check for blown highlights using the highlight warning. If it's soft, increase shutter speed or sharpen your technique. Make sure to save RAW for editing and backup copies to another card or cloud. Troubleshooting tip. If images are consistently soft, clean contacts, recalibrate autofocus, and test with a plain target to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.